Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is Royal Caribbean Ovation of the Sea. I would like to take you inside my Veranda stateroom 7522. Royal Caribbean has invited me here to tour the ship and let Melissa VIP Magic better assist you. So thank you, Royal Caribbean. I love that you invited me here to preview your ship. Like and subscribe and click that bell for notifications to follow all my Royal Caribbean travels. And for these 3 days, I will be extensively touring and previewing. So you'll want to make sure you see everything about the Ovation of the Sea. Now, let me take you in to tour this beautiful Veranda stateroom. It's 4 o'clock and our room is ready here in Los Angeles. We are 7522. When you come, you will see that your key is in this envelope ready to go. So all you have to do is take it out and scan the door to enter.
We ask that you please watch the life jacket demonstration.
Here we go. Lovely stateroom. We're going to be very comfortable. Let me scan around the whole room and then I will take you back and show you every detail. Love that veranda. Very nice. So here she is. Very awesome. Okay, so we're going to start right here. And this is your sofa, which is lovely. We have artwork on the side. And then we've got a beautiful desk with chest of drawers. I love the color. The carpet is really blue. I love that with the swirls. And then it's really Art Deco. Love this. So we've got our menus here. We've got breakfast menu, which is great. We've got Evian soft drinks you can order and have to your room, and energy drinks. Great. We have room service menu. So if you would like to order room service, it is here as well. Thank you, Ovation of the Sea. We have a beautiful lamp on top. There we go. And then we have a tea or a hot water kettle here. And then we have 2 glasses, which are ceramic. And then we have Nescafe here. And then we also have 2 things of creamer. We have got English breakfast tea, green tea, Lipton tea. So several teas. Love that. We have drawers here. Oh, and our hair dryer. I found that. So yes, you've got a hair dryer here, which is great. And several drawers, 4, and then 1 more makes 5. Let's open this up. So we open up, and this is your refrigerator. It can lock, but we're not going to do that right now, but I do love that feature. And then we have a desk with a chair. We have USB ports. We've got I always recommend for my cruise guests to bring European plugs so you can plug your US plugs in. Here's 2 more US plugs, and then we have 2 lights. Let's see what that does. Ta-da! Love that. We have a beautiful mirror. So very good. Now here is our bed. We do have those beds pushed together, or when you book your next Royal Caribbean cruise with Melissa VIP Magic, I can have them separated or together. Now let's look here at our closet. Lots of space, tons of space. Up here we have a rack to hang our dresses, our clothes, and then we have 2 drawers down below, and they're very generous. I like that. And we do have a safe here that you can set your own code, put your passports in here, great travel agent tip, and a place for your valuables. So that's great. Now we do have side lights, so they're going to light up for reading at night. We do have a phone, and then you do have 2 cubbies here, which are nice. Love that. Now, surprise, surprise, guess what's up over here? We have more storage. So up on the top, you've got storage. That's wonderful, and there's another one there for you. Awesome. And then we have a flat screen TV, and there you see the beautiful Ovation of the Seas. Welcome, Melissa and Bethany. I really appreciate Royal Caribbean hosting me to see their ship here in Los Angeles. So I'm super excited to tour and show you a lot of the ship and what it has to offer, some of the upscale dining. We're going to Wonderland tonight, so watch for that as well. So super excited to be here, and once again, thank you. I want to see it so I can better assist you with your next cruise. Now let's keep going. All right, so on this side, we have another closet. I love that there's two big closets for each guest to have their own space. We have regular hangers, and then we have clippy hangers, and we have laundry service there with bags. If you want to do laundry, you can pay for that. Now here's our bathroom. So let's go in here. The light is already on, ready for you. So we have a stand-up shower, and I'll go inside and show that to you. We also have your toilet here, one sink, and then you've got a very generous mirror. We've got two shelves, and then we have two glasses here. And then we have our wash rag, and then you have your sink. And this looks like we have Salt and Breeze Royal Caribbean soap here. And we have our trash can and a trash can there as well. Very good. Now, this is a round shower, and it does have a handheld shower, and then we also have Salt and Breeze hair and body wash. Very good. You have a place for your soap, and then you also have a foot area for your shaving if you need to do that. And also I see a rope hook, so very nice. Oh look, they gave us an Ovation of the Sea hat. How cute is that? Los Angeles Summer 2025. Now, we have beautiful drapes that are going to close in the evening, and love the fabric on those. Now, if you have kiddos, don't worry. Go ahead and book the Veranda stateroom. We have a child lock, so they're going to have to reach up this tall to get the child lock off, and then you have the door right here, handle. Now, let's step outside. We've got two beautiful chairs here, ample space. We've got a table, and here's your port of Los Angeles. Hello, Cali. Los Angeles, California. Very nice. And here we have our chair and plenty of space. I actually really love this. Now, if we book connecting rooms for you, these partitions can open. I will let you know how to do that when you book your next cruise with Melissa VIP Magic. This one also opens, so you could have a really large balcony. Very nice. So we're gonna have a great 3 nights. I'm super excited. And for your next Royal Caribbean vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Royal Caribbean travels around the world. It would be my pleasure to serve your family. Can't wait to set sail.